Hi everyone, in this video we are going to configure some folders in our vCenter server instance so that we can organize some of our inventory. I'm already connected into vCenter. I'm going to right click from the host and clusters view. On my data center, I'm going to say that I want to create a new folder, and out of the list of types I'm going to create a new host and clusters folder. I need to give it a name. This is lab servers. Okay. And I see my new lab servers folder. Since I have that folder, I'm going to put my two hosts in there in order to keep them organized. I can just drag and drop over top of that folder, and the host will be moved from under the data center into the folder. I can do the same thing for my second one. And when that's finished doing the moves, then the host will be in that folder. When that's done, I can expand out the lab folders and I can see my two hosts that show up there. I also want to create a couple of folders for virtual machines. I'm going to change to the VM and templates view. And in the data center, again, I'm going to right click, new folder. In this case, this is going to be a VM and template folder. I'll call this one lab VMs. And I'm going to make another one called templates. My two VMs that I have, I'm going to put in the lab VMs folder again to keep them organized. So we'll move the first one and then we'll move the second one. Once that's finished, just expand out the lab VMs folder and we see the VMs are there. That's pretty much it for creating folders, fairly straightforward. Hopefully this has been helpful for you, and we'll see you next time.